After an exhausting day, thank your feet with one of Naked Nature Skincare's thick, lavish body butters. Our body butters are an excellent way to massage and condition your feet. Our butters are enriched with mango butter and shea butter that has fatty acids to feed, nurture, and love your skin. One of my favorite butters is Perfect Peach. It is absolutely magnificent. It smells so sweet and delicious. There is nothing, absolutely nothing better than massaging your feet as you inhale the summertime fragrance of sweet, juicy peaches. Look how moist and nurtured my feet look. And they feel absolutely spectacular and conditioned, and they feel delicious. Summer is saying goodbye, but be sure to love your skin all fall and winter, especially your feet, with Naked Nature Skincare Body Butter.